Okay, this is a very short video presentation from Reenergise just to show the different wattages recorded from different strip lights. I'm using a 2-foot fitting, a standard 2-foot fitting with the magnetic ballast still in, and the first thing to demonstrate is the T5 adapter. So this is the T5 adapter. It's a pretty standard light. This is quite common take up. So it's basically an adapter that fits a T8 fitting that accommodates a T5 tube, and there are the inherent environmental benefits therein, and that is recording 15 watts, and that should settle slightly higher on about 15 and a half, 16 watts. So if we come out of there, I'll now change that fitting, change that bulb over for the standard light, which is which is used in at the moment in most places. This is what we're changing out. So this is to tell you what would be in the fitting already, what the fittings are already taking on the existing bulbs. And you'll notice that I'm just slotting in the starter again. And there you have it. That's a standard light, and I'll just go into the meter again to have a look at what that's actually pulling. And that is now pulling 26.9 watts, and that will settle higher. It will fluctuate now, but it will actually settle higher. But at the moment it's holding 26.9, 26.8. Okay. There you have that one. And if I turn that off again, the third light that I'm going to show is an LED tube, which is the latest energy efficient light option. It's a tube with it's got an aluminium extrusion at the back, which acts as a diffuser, and all of the ballast equipment is contained within the actual tube itself, as it is with the adapter. So you're taking out the ballast controls from the magnetic ballast, and it's now replaced with electronic controls, and that's what's regulating the flow of electricity. So if I pop that in there, we'll take out the starter again and turn that on. It's a slightly cooler colour temperature, but that is the light on. Ordinarily the ballast would be wired out, which is a small minor wiring job on each fitting, but if you have a look now, excuse the hoover, and that is now holding 10 watts, so that's a substantial reduction. That would hold 10 to 10.1 with the ballast wired out, so that is a over 60% reduction from a standard light bulb.